Stripe Dropshipping Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Stripe and related tools are in the description. In this review, we'll break down the features, strengths, and weaknesses of Stripe and help you determine if it's the right payment processor for your dropshipping business. Stripe is a paid payment gateway that enables businesses to accept online payments seamlessly. It's widely used by e-commerce businesses, including dropshippers, for processing payments from customers worldwide. Stripe supports a wide range of payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and digital wallets, like Apple Pay and Google Pay. It integrates easily with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, providing a smooth checkout experience for customers. It's designed for businesses looking for flexibility and scalability, making it an excellent choice for dropshipping stores of all sizes. Features. One of Stripe's standout features is its easy integration with e-commerce platforms, allowing you to start accepting payments with minimal setup. It offers global payment processing, which is a key benefit for dropshippers selling internationally. Stripe supports multiple currencies, ensuring you can serve customers in different countries without worrying about currency conversion. It also provides advanced fraud prevention tools, which protect your business from chargebacks and fraudulent transactions. Subscription billing is another feature, ideal for businesses with recurring orders or memberships. Additionally, detailed analytics and reporting help you track sales, revenue, and customer behavior, aiding in data-driven decision-making. Strengths. Stripe's biggest strength is its ease of use and seamless integration with a wide range of e-commerce platforms. Its global reach and ability to accept payments in multiple currencies make it a great choice for dropshippers who want to expand internationally. The fraud protection tools and advanced reporting give dropshippers peace of mind and help optimize their sales strategies. Plus, Stripe's transparent pricing ensures that you only pay a fixed transaction fee per sale, with no hidden charges. Weaknesses. One downside of Stripe is that it's not available in every country, so if you're operating in a location where Stripe isn't supported, you'll need to explore other payment gateways. Additionally, while Stripe's fees are competitive, they can add up for businesses with high transaction volumes, especially when it comes to international payments. Finally, customer support can sometimes be slow, which could be frustrating if you face urgent issues. Final verdict. Stripe is ideal for dropshipping businesses looking for a reliable, scalable payment processor with global reach. It's perfect if you're expanding internationally or need a simple and secure solution to process payments. However, if you're in a country where Stripe isn't available or have high transaction volumes, you may need to consider alternatives. Check the links in the description to explore Stripe and see if it fits your business needs.